Hi everybody, I'm Jerry and was just sent a world of fun that you can have in your swimming pool for yourself or your kids. This actually only weighs 7.7 pounds, so easily portable, easily travel with this, but it can hold up to 198 pounds. Built-in squirt gun, jet propulsion. I mean, this thing has got it all. Here, why don't you go and give it a try and show them what you can do driving around and shooting the squirt gun so we can see how far that goes. So just by hooking onto it and pressing the one button, it actually will drive you around about 3.2 feet per second. And then when you shoot the squirt gun, so now see it moves you about 3.2 feet per second just by pressing that one button. It's got a trigger onto the one side and the other side is the squirt gun, so that you can actually, if you bought two of these, you could have little squirt gun battles. Thing will run up to an hour, so it's actually giving you plenty of fun run time when you're out in the water. This would be great for the beach, would be great for the lake. It comes in a variety of beautiful colors so that you can easily differentiate between, who has which one, and they're easy to spot when you have them out in the water. This would make a great gift for anybody or just for some family fun.